features of Gmail is the ability to integrate the use of Google Tasks. So once I have my Gmail open, I can go over here to the right-hand side and I've got a pane with some different applications. The blue circle with the check mark is your Google Tasks. If you've never used Google Tasks, it's just a way for you to have an online to-do list that you can easily manage, add to it, set reminders for yourself, add it to your calendar. It's just a really efficient way for you to get things done and stay organized. So, as you can see, I have grade papers and make copies. I can easily add a task just by clicking on the add a task and putting something in here. So maybe I have set up math centers. And let's say that I need to have that done by 9 a.m. on Friday, because that is going to be something that I'm going to do with my students. I'm going to say okay. And then once I go up to my waffle and I go down to my calendar, you're going to see that that is right there. Set up math centers right on Friday the 3rd at 9 a.m. from my Google Tasks. So it just pulls and syncs everything all together. Once I'm finished with that and I mark it as complete, I go back over to my Google Calendar and it will tell you completed tasks are now hidden. So I don't want to have it on there if it's something that I've already completed, because it just clutters up my calendar. So you can see that those two things stay in sync together. Another way to use your Google Tasks instead of just as a to-do list is for shopping lists, for reading recommendations, just all kinds of things that you're going to be using for lists. So in this case, I have a wish list. I know not always do we have the funds to purchase what we need for our classroom, and I like to keep a running record of things that might be nice to have for my room, so that if someone ever asks me, hey, is there something that you need, especially with the holidays coming up, I might have a parent ask me, is there something that I can get for the classroom? And I have a quick, easy access to a list of items that I am planning on purchasing once the budget allows. So maybe Cuisinart rods, maybe some base 10 blocks, maybe some books that you want to add to your library or games for the classroom. Just create a wish list here that is available for you if you're asked at a moment's notice what it is that you would like for your room. Another one is maybe creating a new list for reading recommendations. Sometimes it's nice to have that handy if you have a student that you know is going to really like a book, or maybe there are books that you see out there that you want to make sure you include for read alouds. You can start to add those to a list and have that available. There's no limit to how many tasks lists that you have access to. Create all the new lists you wish. But just remember that the default is going to always be called My Tasks, and that's one that is nice to have just as your general to-do list open all of the time. Another way that I really like to take advantage of my tasks is for items that have been emailed to me that I need to be able to go back and refer to the information in that email. So here is a meeting invite that I sent to myself, and I'm definitely going to need that link later on. So I've set it for November 3rd, but maybe this is something even months down the line. So what I can do is I can open up that email, and then you can see at the top of the email, I have that same icon, Add to Tasks, at the top. I can click on that, and then it's going to be right there in my tasks. That everything from that email is very easily accessible right through this link. So once I go back to my inbox, and this gets pushed down to the next page, we get many emails throughout the day, and it might not even be something that I see or have access to on my main email screen. So at this point, when I'm in my tasks, I can quickly click on that link, and it's just going to open that message right back up, and I can click on the link and join the meeting. So if there's ever anything in the future that you know you're going to need quick access to, you can quickly add it to My Tasks and then have the link to the content from that email just really easily available to you just by clicking on the link.